Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with how to merge cell in Excel. So first we need to understand what is the merging. What does the merging cell means? Merging cell in Excel combine two or more cell in one larger cell. This can be a handy create header, label and formatting cell and cleaner look. Okay, merge cell in Excel combine two or more cells in a one big large cell. Okay, so here is a section 1, section 2, section 3. This is a section, they divided to sections. So we need to, this one look like a heading, so we need to, what we need to do, we need to merge this what we need to do, we need to merge this one, this. So first we need to select how many cells we need to merge. So select the first we need to select how many cells we need to merge. So select the cells and then go to merge and send, go to home button and here merge and send. Here is the merge and send. We click the merge and send. So we already we merge the cells now. Here so what we need to know, we need to change the color here, and now it's okay. Then copy this format painter and click here, copy this one and click here. So this button, merge and send a button, what this button did, this button combine the cells and center the text, this one. But they have this one, we have a one issue. When we select the row, we can control down key, we need to select one column, like one column. We can select like that. Here we can't select this column when we are selecting, because these, when we merge the cell, that cells, all of them is one cell. See, A2. So this one is not separate cell, this is the only one cell. Cell address is a A2. So when we select this one select all of them together. So first what we need to do, we need to select how many cells we need to merge, and then go to home tab and then alignment and click this corner, and here horizontal tab and alignment type, and here horizontal option, and here is we need to select center across the selection, okay, select this one and okay, click OK. What happened here, this one is different. Here still this cells is an individual cell still, but this one is merge and center the cell. How many cell we need to merge? That one, all of them merged now, but thing is, when we are select this one here, we can select, still this one is an individual cell. So when we need to do any formula or calculation like this, that time we need to use this merging cells, otherwise we can use this button, merge and cell center. Here is so many options, 4 options here. First is merge and center, we already did. Merge across, only that one is merge across, and merge cell, this one only merge the cells, not a center. This one unmerge, when we merge the cell, we can remove the cell, like unmerge the cell. Okay, if you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you.